Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Twoguysfinance's financial education resources. Alright, it's going to be a really quick video. We're not going to waste any time at all, so let's just jump straight into the video. Now the first thing you're going to do is to go to the Twoguysfinance website, and then once you're there you're going to click on financial education. Now you're going to review the different financial education resources that are available. There's articles, videos, and webinars. You can just go through the ones that are there, and you can select the resource that interests you and immediately start learning. You can use Twoguysfinance's financial education resources to improve your financial literacy, and that's going to help you to make better financial decisions in the future. Once you have that learned, you can just review and apply the financial concepts that you have just learned. And also you can use the Twoguysfinance to track your financial progress. And if anytime you need additional help, you can just contact Twoguysfinance's customer service, and they're going to answer your questions and provide you with more information. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Twoguysfinance's financial education resources. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the